Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Ninja Gaiden 4 crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching, won't launch, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first solution is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on console and then select power off. Now unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on the PlayStation and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 2 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to others and then go to restore license. Now select Ninja Gaiden 4 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm, and after this check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out. Now wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. Now see which one works for you. Solution 5 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system, then choose HDMI tab, turn off enable HDCP. Now check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then turn on enable HDCP and then check. Solution 6 is to change console language. Open your PS5 settings and navigate to system, go to the language section, then select your current language. Now try changing it to English or any other language and then you can see if this fixed the issue or not. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Ninja Gaiden 4 and check if the problem is solved or not. Solution 8 is to delete game data and cache. But please take a note, you must back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to the settings, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5, navigate to console storage, delete, then select Ninja Gaiden 4 and then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection, choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose don't specify for DHCP hostname. Now in the DNS settings choose manual and enter 8.8.8.8 in the primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 in the secondary DNS. And for the proxy server choose do not use and save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to the SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Ninja Gaiden 4 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So these were some of the solutions that you can try to fix Ninja Gaiden 4 crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.